I'm Mike, and I am the modern Canadian. Yo, what's going on? Another Wednesday, another modern Canadian stream, and we are here. Pretty exciting day today. We're announcing some winners of the giveaway. So we have, I can't show you the ledger, the BitAxe, because it's plugged into my wall, but we got a ledger that we're giving away, Ledger Nano S, and a BitAxe miner that's the grand prize today. So we got two winners for these prizes today. I will be announcing in a little bit. But first, we're going to go over some markets. But how's everybody's week been? Yesterday we had a great episode of the Adoption Podcast. We had FFV on, another Bored Ape holder, and basically like OG in the space, I guess you could say, came in last. An NFT OG, I guess you can say, and really cool stuff. I had no idea he won a Bored Ape. That was really cool, and got in in the Discord with Gary V and all that. That was pretty cool. I just love learning like people's stories of how they got into crypto. That's like my thing. Like I really like to hear people's stories because I feel like it's so cool because everybody is coming from like so many different walks of life and they all found crypto, but like we all come together because we all share the same values and goals of improving our lives and making the world a better place. And you really see that in the world of crypto and Web3. And it's nice to see, you got nurses, and I'm a mechanic, and he was in the shipping receiving, I believe, or warehouse. Like a lot of people come in from all walks of life, which is really cool. And they say like the rising tide floats all boats. I know Jay Chains likes to say that a lot, and it's absolutely true. All right. So today, what's going on, Kerry? Welcome, buddy. It's nice to see you. Are you still out west, or are you back home now? I'm actually heading to Portugal in 2 days. I can't wait. It's family vacation, like 20. I've been me and my family. We lived like we were poor from 2022 all the way to 2025, just investing everything in the crypto. And I had a bunch of miners, so I was paying a bunch of fees for like my mining bills, paycheck to paycheck. And 2025, we just like I did the most traveling I've probably ever done in a single year this year, which was awesome. And I hope every year from now on forward, because crypto is making my life better, that it continues to go from there. Eventually, what I would like to do is retire from being a mechanic and be full time in crypto and hit all the conferences and do all the stuff and help do my part to push crypto and mass adoption and educate people in the space and show people that if a blue collar worker like myself can do it, you can too. It's Saskatchewan till tomorrow. That's cool, man. I've never been. It's crazy. I've been outside Canada so many times, but I think the only place I've really traveled in Canada was like I haven't even been to Montreal. It was Ottawa and a little bit of Quebec. I did some snowboarding back many years ago. All right. Um. Okay. So, let's go over some charts. I'm gonna do a quick market update because I gave a huge macro update yesterday on the Option Podcast. So if you didn't see it, definitely make sure you catch the replay. I give my whole macro picture. So I'll briefly go over it. I'll give it to you again, and I'll go over some trades that I'm doing right. I got some trades, some longs, and open right now. All right. So let's start with Bitcoin because you always got to start from the king. So what I see here, this is the hourly time frame. Looks like we're making a bull flag on the hourly. This actually looks really, really good. We popped off, and you always have to come back to the 21. Now it looks like we hit the 21, and we're looking for a bounce here. So watch for the bounce here, and we're probably going to fly through this 1 hour, 200-day moving average, which is super, super bullish. This is nice. This is what you want to see on like a bull flag. That's awesome. The measured move of this flag is going to be 116,616, and that honestly could pop off probably or break out of this channel here within the next hour or two. So look for Bitcoin to make a move. If you want to trade this, you can do something like this with a long position. You can get in now, you can ride it to the top of the measured move, and you put your stop loss underneath the falling wedge. So it would have to totally lose structure for you to lose this trade. So we can even go down a little bit lower. So about down a little bit lower than the lowest wick right here. And then that would bring you to, that would be an 8.87 to 1 risk reverse reward ratio. So I'll show you on weeks what that would look like. So you would do, say for example, your trading portfolio is $1,000. You would divide it by, so sorry, $1,000 divided by, or times 0.01, 1%. So $10 is 1% of your portfolio. You would take 10% and you divide it by your stop loss. So my stop loss here is 0.17, not even a percent. So I can even lower this down to a percent. And then, let's go to a 3. We'll go to a 4. Yeah, 0.037. That's a 4-to-1 risk versus reward ratio. So we would divide that by 0.0036, and your position size would be $2,777 for your long. So you would go, so Bitcoin is 115.06, you go 777, and then when you do your take profit would be here at 116.6, so 116,600. No, 160. Oh wow, I can't type. It would be 116,600, and then your stop loss would be sitting around 114,399. So 114,399. So you're only risking $14 to make $38. So pretty good risk to reward ratio. And this is a very bullish pattern, and they break up to the upside more often than they don't. So you can just literally just trade this right here. Small little trade, may take a couple hours to play out by the time you go to bed, and you can make some money right there. And that would be a $38 trade. So that's how I build my trades. I do it like that. I only ever risk 1% of my portfolio, and I will skimp and I will scrape and I will make $100, $20 at a time, or $5 at a time. I don't care, because there's always another trade. That's one thing I've learned. Like, there's no more FOMO for me anymore. I just wait for the next trade to happen, and I just so happen to come to the chart. This is what I see. So look for Bitcoin to make a little move to the upside, 116.6 in the next couple hours. I like that, man. That's good. Overall, that's the 1 hour chart. So let's go to the daily. The daily chart, we're still in my pattern. We're still in my falling channel, which again is a continuation pattern, because we came into this channel from an uptrend. Therefore, we have a continuation pattern, and you're looking at Bitcoin going to at least 124K, depending on when this breaks out. If this breaks out earlier, we can move this here, or it depends. Some people like to put the measured move above the line here, and that would bring you to 129K. I like to be a little bit more conservative. So 123, 124, 124,000, right? So I see Bitcoin kind of coming up in this channel here, ultimately falling down. We could potentially go back down to 108, 109 before we hit the top of the channel again and try to break out. I could be wrong. This could fail, and this can just continue on, break out here, and then off we go to our target. So right now for Bitcoin, if you want to do that, you can do that little trade on the 1 hour chart that I showed. But if you want to trade on the daily, I'm not going to trade until we either we break this channel and I trade the breakout, or we break it to the bottom side and I put a short in. So that's what I would be looking for on the longer time frame for Bitcoin. But the market's bullish, so I think we're going to break to the upside out of this pattern. And as you can see, I've been following these consolidations patterns for quite some time, and they have a very high success rate. God, I can't see one that I haven't seen that hasn't broke out. This whole bull run has all been about these falling consolidation patterns. This whole bull run. All right, so Bitcoin looks good to me, so that means altcoins might be pretty good. Let's just, before we get into altcoins, let me take a quick peek at Bitcoin dominance. This is something I do want to show you guys on the dominance chart. So I do have Bitcoin dominance looking like it's going to bounce off the bottom of the channel to the top of the channel. Ultimately, I think it might get rejected by the daily 200-day moving average. And I think this move up to the top of the channel is that little pump that I just showed you for Bitcoin. So if that's the case, we will pump to the top side of the channel. Bitcoin might pop off. Altcoin's not super strong yet. And then ultimately, I think we're going to get rejected by the 200-day moving average and ultimately make a move all the way down. And that will start our next leg down to 58%. And that will be the start of altcoin season, in my opinion. This is obviously not financial advice, but this is what I see in the charts and what's making sense to me. We have Tether dominance. Tether dominance looks like it's in a cup and handle. So this is what's kind of a little funky for me because I have Bitcoin dominance looking like it's about to go up a little bit and then ultimately roll over. But then I have Bitcoin or Tether dominance looking like it's coming up. So I don't know what to make that because usually you want to see Bitcoin dominance go down and Tether dominance go down because money flow has to flow into altcoins, not the stable coin. So we'll have to keep our eye on that. You might this little pump up might coincide with that little dip I was talking about for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dominance in a fall or Tether dominance in a falling little falling channel here because we have a cup in the handle as we consolidate down in this handle, that could be the move for Bitcoin dominance to go up. That could be the move for Bitcoin to pop off to the top of the channel here. And then ultimately, we look at Bitcoin dominance and it ultimately will come up, break out of this cup and handle. When Tether dominance breaks up and goes to the top of the channel, that would probably signal to move back down to the bottom of the channel for Bitcoin, probably get into that 108, 109 and then we have to bounce off the bottom of the channel to go back again. Like this consolidation pattern here could extend and continue on for quite some time. Like it can even go for another month for all we know, right? So I would look for that. That's just the story I'm building in my head. This is my mental model that I'm thinking of, and I'm telling myself a little story based on Bitcoin dominance, Tether dominance, and what's likely or possible to happen based on what I'm seeing in the charts. So that means Bitcoin could have a pump to the upside, could be short lived, and then move back to the bottom of the channel, and then that would mean a short lived pump for altcoins, and then ultimately down to the bottom of the channels. And I have Ethereum in the same kind of thing. I have Ethereum at the bottom of the channel. We lost the channel, came back in the channel. We're back in it now. So if Bitcoin does pop off, I could see Ethereum coming up and then getting back into this channel and then still bouncing, up. This is an uptrending channel, so it will start bouncing up and making higher highs, which is really good. And this is kind of what you want to see. It'll probably hold up a little bit better than Bitcoin if altcoin season starts and Bitcoin dominance rolls over. So I have Ethereum in the channel right now. If we break out of this channel to the upside, we're looking at a $5,000 Ethereum. We're looking at all-time highs. So I'm getting pretty bullish. Like obviously we could have some short-term dips, upcoming. We could hit 116 and then drop to 108, 109 in Bitcoin. But like that's still not breaking my structure, so I am not worried about that. Just a good buying opportunity, and until we break my structures, I'm not really worried. I just trade the structure till they break. If the trend breaks, then I will start to sit on my hands and wait until another trend starts, or we figure out what we're making and what kind of pattern we're going to make, and then we trade that pattern. So Ethereum looks pretty good. The Ethereum looking like we can come to the top of the channel, and the stochastic RSI on the daily it just curled over, just peaked over the oversold line. So look, we're still got a lot of room to go here, and same with the RSI. The RSI looks like we just came off the neutral line. We're a little up, but we're not overheated yet, so we got some time. So I could see Ethereum going to at least the top or the middle of the channel here. So I'm looking for it to break this previous before we had this little dip previous high here and maybe hitting the top of the channel. So we'll see if that happens. And that's what I'm tracking. So just if you want to just trade the pattern, just watch the pattern as it plays out. Every day is a candle, and just watch day by day, take it day by day, and react to what the market gives you. Let's take a look at Solana. I think I'm in a trade for Solana right now. Solana looks pretty good to me too. Falling wedge. I love me a falling wedge. We broke out of the falling wedge. We retested the top of the wedge and we bounced off it. So that's what I'm seeing and that's on the daily. We have a nice rounded stochastic RSI, plenty of room to move up. We're just under the neutral line for Solana. So really ready for a move to the upside. The measured move to this brings you up to 231,000. I have this too high. So about 230,000, 231,000 for Solana. If we want to calculate it, we can even say it broke out here, and then we'll calculate it from here. And then you probably look at 136 or $236 for Solana, and you can do a trade. Like I have my trade already set up here. I have it set at the target 236, and then my stop loss would be underneath. I have it actually tucked right here, just in case they want to do a little bit of a scam wick it kind of can roll over. And then I've seen it do something like this, where we go up, we ultimately roll over, and then it looks like we're gonna fake out, and then and we come up like that. So I've seen that many times. I've got burned by this many times before. Actually, VeChain burned me on one of these before. We had a nice breakout to the upside. It rolled over, looked like we were going to lose it. I closed the trade. I'm like, crap, this is a losing trade. And then we popped right off. And so it can definitely fake you out like that. So that's why my stop loss is tucked right under here, right under here, just in case they want to fool around a little bit. So that trade right now would be a, let me just get rid of this. That trade would be a 2.97 risk to reward ratio, almost basically a 3.1, a 3-to-1 risk versus reward ratio. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you're in control of how much money you lose. And again, if you're using 1% of your portfolio, you have to lose 100 trades before you empty out your entire trading portfolio. So you got a lot. If you're a 55%, successful trader, you're still going to make more money than you lose because you're 55%. And that's why you just got to trade patterns that have more likely to win. All right, Solana, AVAX. AVAX looks good. We're kind of fighting with the daily 200-day moving average. Hopefully we get above it. Looks like we have a little uptrend here. We've touched it 3 times now, and we're bouncing off it. So I would hope we would break this high before we break this low, and hopefully we come back up to the top side and continue this uptrend. Right now, we're just looking for it to break through the daily 200-day moving average. On the daily, I'm only really trading big time frames right now. I'm not really messing around with the small time frames. I use the small time frames just to kind of see momentum and where I think momentum's going. Like, I think of it in my mind, it works to me like a wave. I think of like a wave in the water, and the wave just starting, and I use the smaller time frames to find where the wave starts, and it'll ultimately go into show itself into the higher time frames. So the 4-hour, again, we're fighting with this 200-day moving average. So hopefully we can continue to go up. I will tell you though, if we're bearish here, this would be ultimately a channel that would kind of break down here. We get rejected, and that would bring you down to $20 for AVAX on the 4-hour if we get rejected, unless we make something else. I'm also kind of seeing actually a little bit of a head and shoulders here, right? Head and shoulders, which also coincides with that, again, that move again down to $20. So now I have 2 different patterns showing me the same thing. So I would maybe look at AVAX and maybe get denied here. Stochastic RSI does kind of look like we're curling up, but kind of flatlining here. And then we look at the RSI, and the RSI kind of looks like it's curving down again. So we peaked out on my little downtrend, but are we going to come down and retest it? I would keep my eye on it. I would not trade AVAX right now. I would wait to see what happens here. I would wait to see if we invalidate this mini little head and shoulders, and I would see if we invalidate this little downtrend. This could be like a Blair flag. So I wouldn't touch AVAX right now. I would give it a little bit more time to see ultimately what we're making. Hopefully this is just an uptrend and that we're continuing the uptrend. Or maybe we get rejected, we come back to the bottom of the channel, which would be a higher high, higher low anyways. So not overly bearish. Like, just right now, I wouldn't touch it until we just have a decision on this 200-day moving average. Ultimately, I'm more on the side that we're going to come back down, test this channel again. Hopefully, we flip it as support and we bounce off it again, yet again, making a higher low, and we're okay. Overall, like I'm bullish on the market. Like overall, just like in the short term, I'm not super bullish on altcoins just yet. Again, Ondo looks kind of the same thing. You had a falling channel here, and we broke out to the upside, and then we're kind of just making these moves here. We're making, we just gotta watch higher highs or higher lows, higher highs. That's what we want. So watch for the 200-day moving average here again on the 4-hour to break through. Let's take a look on the daily. The daily looks again pretty good. When this 21-day moving average, this white line touches the blue line, that's what we want to see. So we'll wait for it to curve back up. But again, the stochastic RSI just popping up, like, has plenty of room to go. So look for Ondo to make a move to the upside. You just have to give it some time to get through these key moving averages. So you're gonna kind of see the same thing in almost every altcoin, like Ondo, and then we go to VeChain, almost identical, right? They all look the same. It's the same stuff. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for these key moving averages. Again, we're under the daily 200-day moving average on VeChain, so we really need this to get above that before I get like super bullish. So you'll have to be patient on that. Let me see if I can find a parallel channel. I always forget how to draw it. I do it by hand, and then I remember Blocky showed me how to do it. Where is it? Pip channel. I just saw it. My brain. No. Oh my god. For real? Anyways, I don't know where it is. I'm just gonna do it by hand. So we have a little channel here. Same idea. Can we call this a falling wedge? Maybe. Maybe. It depends if we ignore the wicks. But again, we did break out to the upside and kind of just going sideways. So just give it some time. I don't think altcoins is just ready yet. I think we're getting close, but altcoin season is just not here yet. So we got to be a little bit more patient. And again, Bitcoin is going to lead the market right now because Bitcoin is stronger. So again, I go back to my move here. Do we go to 116 and continue up, or do we ultimately roll over and come back to 108? If you come back to 108, 109, or even maybe just retest my red line here, which is about 112, and we can double bottom at 112 and then pop off and break out. So not bearish, just short term. We could have a little dip. Once we hit a certain target, top of the channel, we can dip again. So depending on how you want to trade it, you can trade the channel to the top of the channel here, like I showed you on the 1 hour, or you can wait and see if we do get that rollover and then get in somewhere at the bottom and you can ride it all the way up. Because if you do, if for example, it does bounce off here and does break out from the bottom of the channel at 108 and we go to 123, 124, you're looking at a nice 14% move. So that would be a nice trade if you can catch it. If you can catch it. Yeah. So that's kind of what I got. I'm in a couple trades right now. I am in a Solana long, not really overly, high in this right now. I'm only up like 1.78%. XRP, I got in a long yesterday. Oh my god, I got in a long yesterday for XRP. My stop loss was at $2.90. I got in at $2. What did I get in? Average entry price 2.9850. So $2.98. It went all the way down to $2.90 and a couple like millicents. And like I almost got stopped out. I was in less than a cent from getting stopped out. And then it came back. I was like, holy cow, what a ride. And now we're back in profit. We're 7%, almost 8% in profit. So that was pretty interesting. I'm glad I held on to. Again, I'm only risking 1% of my portfolio, so I'm not emotional in any of these decisions. I'm willing to let them ride and not cut off the trade before I need to. And then I'm also in an Ethereum long on the DeFi app. Now I didn't want to enter this long. I tried to set a limit order, and then when I clicked open long for the limit order, it just opened it at the current price. So we're in a long. We're up 9.26% though, so we're not doing terrible. We're doing all right so far. It's not a whole lot of money. It's $1.57, so like nothing to write home about. But 9.26%. And we're just letting it ride. Again, I do see a little bull flag on the hour, so Ethereum on the hour could be nice and pretty. So we'll see. I'm kind of asleep on these trades, and if this hourly candle or hourly move plays out, I could have it going to 37.82 in the next couple hours. So it looks like maybe this candle's getting hot. Like it looks like, can we potentially break out right here? So watch out for that, man. That'd be sick. So again, I do have a measured move up. Hopefully my Ethereum trade goes in my favor. And I'm really watching Bitcoin to see what the hell happens here. Are we going to break out to the top of the channel? Are we going to get rolled over? But like this next move is going to bring you above the hourly 200-day moving average. And as we start popping over key moving averages, you got to be bullish until they break. So here we go. This might start happening like live on the stream. You might actually see these trades play out, honestly, because I'm yeah, we're breaking out on the. Let me see. Go back to yeah, we're breaking out on my channel right now. Look at that. We're breaking out on Ethereum right now. So we'll move this here. If this is the breakout here, we're going to 37.72. My Ethereum trade is now in 11% profit. We just jumped up 2%. So that's not bad. That's what I that's what I like to see. We got three green trades going. So I put a little post out this earlier today. It's like, there's something wrong with me. I'm feeling green because I got into 3 trades, and I don't usually like to do 3 trades because it's hard to manage so many trades, especially on 2 platforms. But we're doing it and we're making money, little bits at a time. All right, cool. That's my market update. That's kind of what I'm looking at. And yeah, so we'll look at that and see where it goes. Before we get into some gaming, we have a giveaway to announce. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start getting the names. So I'm gonna look at the I got wheel of names here. So I'm going to start entering people's names in here, and we'll see who's going to win the giveaway. So we're going to do 2 giveaways. Oh, you know what? I just realized I haven't been playing any music.
Highway is a prime transport route.
What the heck?
Couriers moving weight
How am I not playing any music on my stream?
moving weight between West Coast importers and East Coast drug dealers.
What's going on here?
McMullen knows the signs.
All right, here we go. We're raw dogging it here. I apologize. At least you guys heard the market breakdown perfectly, and when I edit it, I can add my own music, so that's good. All right. Let's see here. Is that too loud? Or are we good? I think we're good. We don't need it to be too loud. All right. So let's take a look at the post. Okay, so to enter the giveaway, you would have had to follow me on X and Arena, but you know what? It's just too hard with 2 platforms. Not everybody uses Arena. So I'm just going to focus on the people on X because basically everybody that followed me on X and Arena were on X anyway. So because to have Arena, you got to have X. All right, so is this music too loud? I think we're good, right? Yeah, I think we're good. I might lower it just a wee bit. Too loud for me. I think we're good. All right. So first one is Sir Mayor. So let me copy and paste his tag here. We're gonna put that into the wheel of names. There we go. What am I showing you guys? I'm showing you guys the right window, right? Okay. All right. So he was the most recent one, and then we got Coltree. Copy, paste, boom. Okay, and then we have giveaway database. That's an interesting one. It's a weird name. Copy and paste. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Alright, copy. Alright, cool. Next is Harry, my guy. We got Carrie in here. All right, we got Bit Enthusiast. Alrighty, make sure I got that correct. We got aliens. All right, Lost X Exhaust. Interesting name. But his tag is Sugar Croissant. I love that, actually. Sugar Croissant. That is amazing. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, we got Sugar Croissant. We had a pretty good turnout for this giveaway. I'm not gonna lie. more people than I was expecting. So that's really good. So this is going to make for some interesting wins here. Okay, Crypto Cartagena? I don't know. I'm terrible with reading stuff, guys. Like, literacy here. This is why I listen to books. I don't read books. I listen to books. Mostly because I'm at work and I need my hands when I'm working. But so we got William. Okay, yeah, we got this guy and Fatima BTC. Right? Okay, this song I'm liking. BTC. So okay, we got it. Oh, Ninis, you only take 2 people. I'm sorry, but the rules were 3. I gotta be fair to everybody. I gotta be fair because everybody put 3. I can't just put you in. Sorry. All right, rug me, bro. I like that one. Okay. Why does it say probable spam? I gotta put everybody in, and then we're gonna send DMs to whoever's in the contest. All right. Copy and paste. Okay, I think we got everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people. All right. We got it. Okay, so we're going to do the first giveaway that we're going to choose. It's going to be for the Ledger Nano S. So whoever wins this is getting the Ledger Nano S. Because for your crypto, you need a cold storage solution and you have to put it in a ledger. Like, hello, right? Put in a ledger. I actually probably will do another giveaway because I actually am an affiliate for Ellipal. And Ellipal has their new X card wallet. So I might do a giveaway for that. So keep an eye. Yo, Panda Memes, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. All right. So click the spin. Here we go. We're going to choose the first person for the giveaway. And it is... Let's see who it is. Oh! Yo! Carrie, my guy! Carrie, you are the winner of the Ledger Nano S, my friend. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Alrighty. Let's do the grand prize giveaway. Are we ready? So just to reconfirm what we're giving away here, we're giving away a BitAxe. Oh, actually, you know, let me go to the website. So we're giving a Solo Satoshi, not NerdAxe, BitAxe Super. There it is. We're giving a BitAxe Gamma Bitcoin Solo Miner. Okay. Now, this is a lottery ticket that plays a lottery every 10 minutes. So this is what's at. This is what it's at. Let me bring this back up. Hold on. And then hold on. Get my windows in order here. There we go. Okay. So this is for the Solo Miner. Here we go. Yo, Mayor Husty, let's go! Congratulations! And I believe that is Sir Mayor on X. Let me just confirm that that's the right person. Sir Mayor Husty. Yes, Sir Mayor! Congratulations, brother! You won the Solo Miner. Congratulations! I hope that when you get the Solo Miner, you hit a block. And one block is I think it's like 3.18 or 3.25 BTC. So that's like 300 something thousand American. Like, let's go. I believe, was it last week or 2 weeks ago, a Solo Miner hit a block. It is about 374,000 US dollars. Congratulations to the winners, guys. I will send out the DMs and we'll get in order addresses and how to send it. For the solo miner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase it from Solo Satoshi, and I will just put the mailing address to whoever won it for Sir Mayor. So I'll be in contact with you, and then we'll organize that. But congratulations to the winners, Carrie. Congratulations on winning the Ledger Nano S. That's all yours, brother. I talk to you almost every day, so we'll connect on that. All right, guys, that's the giveaway winners, and let's get in some video games. Let's chill. I got one more day, like tomorrow's Thursday, and then Friday I'm off to Portugal, so we're just gonna relax. I showed you some trades. We're in the green. We're gonna be in the green continuously because we're still in a bull market. Altcoin season is loading, guys. Altcoin season is on the way, so you make sure you get allocated. And my trades are freaking popping off. Let's go. 13% up in that ETH trade. We are 10% up in my XRP trade and 2% up in my Solana trade. We are popping off. Let's go. All right, look. Oh, wow. Look at that wick, though. Holy hell. We went to 37.16 and right back down. Dude, Ethereum looks nice on the hourly right now. I'm feeling it, man. That's a really nice bull flag. Man, that would have been a nice trade. Nice trade. All right, let's go. All right, so let's hop into some video games. What do I want to play today? Honestly, I might even just play some off the grid. Actually, you know what? I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling a shooter right now. I haven't been really feeling shooters. I think we're gonna get back to some League. I've been feeling like League lately. I don't know. It's my safe zone, my comfort zone when it comes to video gaming. I tried to play the new Battlefield. They have a new update or a new Battlefield coming out, like a playtest. But like my computer hard drive needs to be formatted a certain way so it wouldn't load because it's not secure. I don't know. It was weird. So I'm like, I'm not about to get a whole new motherboard and like update all my hardware. So I downloaded some older versions of Battlefield. I wanted to get a Battlefield fix in. All right, let's do it. Yo, Carrie, are you still in chat, bro? You won that ledger, brother. Actually, I'm gonna send you a DM right now. All right, let me send. Actually, you know what? It's probably a good idea. Before I forget, I'm gonna send the winners right now. Okay. Carrie, where is Carrie? There's Carrie. Yo, you won ledger for the send me mailing so I can send. All right, and then Sir Mayor was the other one. I'm just gonna send him the I'm gonna send it to him right now before I forget. I want to, because I'm going away, so I want to make sure I like send send the DMs out and then send. Yo, congrats! You won the Solo Satoshi BTC Solo Miner. Let me know a mailing address so I can send it your way. Sick. Yo, that's awesome. All right, so let's get into some games. Do we want to play Swift Play? Honestly, no. Do we want to go try hard today? I want to do try hard. Nah, I don't want. Every time I'm like, I want to like I want to play ranked and go up the ranks. I'm like, fuck it, I just want to fuck around. I just want to mess around, play some stupid characters, some stupid positions. Let me load Blitz. Honestly, if you're playing League of Legends and like, there's a whole meta on like what items to build and everything like that. Just download Blitz because I don't have time to know what the hell the meta is, and it just picks my items for me. So it's just so much easier. It picks my items and tells me what to build, and I just play. Because they change it so damn often. Every year, it's like playing a new game. Who do I want to play support? You know what? I'm kind of feeling like playing. I might play a little bit of Senna. It's been a minute. We'll play Senna, support, mid lane. Who do I want to play mid lane? I don't even know. Like, I never played mid lane. I know if I pick jungle, they're gonna give me jungle, and I don't want to play jungle. So maybe I'll just play. I'll pick mid. I most likely won't get it because everybody wants to play mid. Yeah, it's a good question. I don't know. I could play Lulu. That would be funny. But then I wouldn't be able to farm very well. I might just keep it on Xerath. I'll keep it that way. I like Xerath. Xerath is fun. All right. I like to check the solo miner because the solo miner will hit like a certain difficulty. So to hit a block, your miner needs to hit the difficulty of what the network is at right now. And I hit it an all-time high for me, which is nowhere near hitting a block. It was like 1.72 G, and you need like, I think the Bitcoin difficulty right now is 116 T, like trillion. So a lot higher than what I need. But you never know. These bit axes have, I believe 2 or 3 of them have hit a block in the last couple of years. So you can definitely win. Like, think about it, like playing the lottery every 10 minutes. Oh, what's with this queue times? This game shouldn't have long queue times. I still haven't been able to play Bloodloop. Literally, like, every time I try to play it, the queue times are unbelievably long, and I just can't get into a game. It's crazy. And I've been wanting to. I actually really do want to play it, but I don't know. If somebody plays Bloodloop, can you let me know how to fix the queue times? Because right now, I don't know what the hell's going on. Do I have any goodies? Oh, I have like 7 chests to open. What the hell? Cannon champion. Oh, of course. Right when I'm opening my loot, does the game start? Like, come on. All right. Who did I get? Where am I? Oh, I'm mid. Wow. Really? That like never happens. All right, we're playing Xerath against an Ahri. Is it Ahri? I guess it is, yeah. Spell causes bottom with Smolder. Well, they have a lot of magic damage on their team. What the hell? Ooh, that's a good question. Doran's Ring or Tear the Goddess? I think I'm gonna go Doran's Ring. Yeah, I think the damage is better. Because my guy has damage built in. Or he has mana regen built in his passive. Oh man. Full screen, borderless. Yeah, this game's a little weird. Full screen. Every time I alt tab, it just gets all messed up. My frames drop. There we go. We're at over 100 frames now. I think if I'm not mistaken, you're supposed to start with your W with Xerath. It's been a minute. I don't play mid. I never play mid. So this will be interesting. Hopefully my opponent sucks. I'm just really bad at farming with mid. So we'll see. We're up against an Ari, so hopefully I don't get caught by her charm, and then I should be fine. Who's their jungler? Volley?
I see the forces that hold the universe together.
Let me stay off to the side because she's gonna probably use her orb.
Cute, aren't they?
There we go.
Flesh and blood, so fragile.
First blood.
Did I hit 2 before him? No. Ah, I missed it. So weird farming with guy that does little damage. You have to really time. Oh, that was close. There we go. Gotta pick when to do damage. When he goes in for a farm, that's when I usually go in.
Sacrifices must be made.
There we made up for that a charm. Let's get some vision. All right, we're good. We're good. Oh shit! I walked right into that.
Demise beckons.
Was he trying to charm me from that distance for real? So now he's using his abilities to farm, which is going to drain his mana fast.
Spirits are calling.
I'll let you push forward.
Don't get lost.
Alright, that's him out of lane. I'm actually bullying him pretty good. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh wow. How did I miss that? I went backwards. Alright, let me get out. That's an even lane. He's backing too, okay. Alright, let's pick up a pink ward, and we'll start with these guys. Actually, you know what? Do I go mana? Nah. I don't want it.
I will show you true power.
What's bot doing? It's doing alright. I like it. We're doing okay. We're doing Gucci. Alright, let's clean up that wave. Oh, I'm gonna miss. Am I gonna miss it? Why am I getting? Oh, I missed it. Shit.
An enemy has been slain.
Wow. The guy telegraphed his freaking charm. Like, come on. Honestly, if you just lead with the W, it's like so much better because you slow him. Alright, we have ult now. All right, let me see if I can get some pink ward in there. There we go. Or I can see him coming. And then what I'll do is I'll put a ward right up here. Like that. All right, perfect. That way I can see him coming. I got topside, so I'll just hug topside down. Oh no, I missed it. Oh, I forgot this is swift play. I get gold regardless, even if I miss farming, so that's fine.
Emotions are only distractions.
Okay. That was easy. Okay, well, I got him. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This guy's actually not even able to fight me, Ari. Dude, they changed that whole fight. Okay, I'm gonna clear that ward. I'm gonna shove the lane aggressively.
Time to show them the way. Spirit fire.
I missed it. Alright, we'll just dip. I couldn't shove it fast enough. I was hoping to shove it and keep that pink ward, but it's not gonna happen. We'll just get out. Okay, so we can buy boots, this. It's a pretty good buy. Anybody I can kill? No. I'm pretty sure Ari used her ult on me. I think she tried to kill me with her ult.
Enemy has been slain. Turret plating will soon fall.
Damn. I lost vision of her. Sucker. I had the flash. I probably could have survived it, even if he jumped me.
Shut down. Chase them.
I see the forces that
Really? Wow, for real? Did I get Ari though? I think I did. Yeah, I did get Ari. She died to my my ignite. If I put one basic attack on Buddy, he would have died. That was my bad. Oh well. What are you gonna do? I know the pink word. That's what I'm gonna do. Well, I didn't have to blow my ult. I was gonna run away and use it, then the jungler came out of nowhere. Well, this jungler ain't getting nowhere.
An enemy has been slain.
Shit. Fuck you over there.
Cute, aren't they?
This guy clears waves so much faster than me. This guy can't hit a Q to save his life, though. I'll tell you that much. Okay, volley's coming up. You got Rift Herald, that's good. I'm gonna hug top side because volley's on bot side. I let it hit the tower. Okay, I want to start poking this guy, but I don't know where this volley is. Fuck. I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah, darn. There's no escape. I had no flash. Yeah, honestly, even if I went this way, I would have been dead. Not much I can do. He's camping. He's camping me. Like, I'm doing so good. All right, that item's done. Shadow Flame, true damage, critically strikes, enemies below 40 health. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go for Shadow Flame. That's good for my ult, actually. Pisses me off though. I can kill this this Ari if it wasn't for that that stupid jungler camping my ass. Nice, nice, nice. I think we got Dragon here.
Shut down.
Why would you release that here? That was terrible.
Destroyed a turret. Destroyed a turret.
There we go. Where's volley? Beauty. All right, I'm gonna stick with the jungler for a minute. Okay, we don't know where Ari is. Got him. Oh shit, let me get blue. Nice, we got blue buff. Let me go and help.
Has been slain.
Got him. Oh shit. Let's go. That was a good one. That was really good. Oh, don't kill me, don't kill me. Sick. That was awesome. Damn, that was a good, really good engage. I got 2 kills off that. Almost got 3. Alright, boom, boom. That's a lot of money. I can still get a pink ward. I love it. Alright, let's shove mid and go help top. This guy's barely damaged my tower. That's awesome. He's missing, so careful with that. Nice try, but no cigar for you. Just got no words there. Throw a pink in there, so I don't get caught off guard. Mid is missing, be careful.
I am the will of man, unbound by flesh.
Alright, shove that, let it go. Oh, there's a ward right here I can take.
Ally has been slain.
Alright, let's grab a ward here. I'm gonna catch right here.
Ally has been slain.
Oh shit. Is he backing? Can I get him? Oh, I missed. Oh shit.
Rampage.
I love it. I got you, bro. Don't you worry. He's not chasing, is he? Oh my god, don't chase. Please chase.
I see the forces that hold
Worth it. Get him to kill. Oh my god, bro. For real? How did you not kill that? Use your abilities. Anyways, whatever. We got it. What does this one do? Horizon Focus, 115 ability power,
Team has destroyed
dealing damage to
turret.
enemy champions. Just gonna range above reveals for 6 seconds. Hyper shot is triggered reveal. I don't really care about that. I just want damage. I want like straight up damage. I just want to like destroy people. I just want to destroy it.
Unstoppable.
Nice. Our Udyr's doing good. Everyone's popping off, man. I love it. Oh no, you're dead. Oh man, that was so fucking close. I don't have alt. I can't even do it. Can't even go there with the alt. Dragon's up in 25 seconds. Let me get some vision up in that bitch. There's a ward.
An enemy has been slain.
Right there. Oh, hello.
sacrifices must be made.
Can I reach him? Can. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is good. This is good. This is good.
Your demise beckons.
An enemy has been slain.
Where's the next wave? Actually, Nivea's missing too, right? Yeah, let him gather.
But I shall remain.
Got him. Got him. No way.
has destroyed a turret.
I am the storm.
Thank you. Whew, that was a close one. I got no word. Whew, that was tough. Shit. Yeah, I gotta wait for the team here. I'm not gonna go crazy. Stick with the team. Need 5 seconds for that reward. You're dead. On range. All right. You know what? Let me just ward real quick.
Cannot fathom what I am.
You guys want to? Oh shit! Someone's here. Yeah, Ari's here. Oh, there we go. I can heal up here. Nice. Let me catch that mid wave. Can I catch him? Oh shit. Oh shit.
An ally has been
Shit, I gotta go around. I think we need to regroup here a bit. I got like 3,000 gold. I'm just gonna buy. Yeah, that's a lot of fucking damage I'm getting. Let's go. Oh my god.
An enemy has been slain.
And we just go straight for Baron.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Okay, come on, get in range. Beauty.
Has been slain. Shut down. Has been slain.
For real?
Shut down.
You better run away. Alright, let's just shove mid. Oh, damn, we don't even have like... Oh, Dragon's up. Let's go to Dragon. Catch him coming down. I'll take this. Alright, let me catch him. You're dead. I'm fucking melted him. Holy cow.
Shut
Crap,
down.
I don't have ult for like 13 seconds. We got Ari coming from behind, so careful. I'm gonna go this way.
An ally
We
has
fucked
been
here?
slain. An enemy has been
So low.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, they're back. I don't know. I didn't see them. I'm not sure where to... Okay, they want to push this mid tower. And I'm just not going to let it happen. They can't have it. They can't have it. They're going to have to earn it. I got more range than you, suckers. Easy peasy. Thanks for the help, team. Ah, you got it. Oh, that fucking hurt, man. Oh, come on, guys. My guy, for real? Come on, Chinamir, clean it up. Wow. Messed that one up. Who's killing me so much? No, I need magic resist. Is there like an item that gives me like
An enemy has been slain.
screw it, we're just gonna go straight up damage. Magi Soul Stealer, Horizon Focus, Storm Surge. What is Storm Surge? I think I've ever used a Storm Surge before. But we'll try it.
I will show you true power.
Alt in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Drains up to 46. We're Gucci. We're good. As long as I don't get caught out, I'm okay. Did I hit him? No. This is not good. Careful, 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 careful. Yeah, this is what I was worried about. Alright, that's 3 ults down though.
Enemy has been slain.
Dead. Oh, fuck volleybot. Oh fuck, I screwed that up. I was out of range there? For real? What the heck?
Has been destroyed.
Oh, that was a waste of an ult. That was a huge waste of an ult. They can have it. They can have Drake. I don't care. I'm just gonna. I want to build a wave here. A huge wave for them here.
Emotions are only distractions.
You have slain an enemy.
You're dead.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Bound, but not broken.
An ally has been slain.
See them catch that wave. They're backing up. I still got Baron.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed.
Fuck. I missed. I missed. Oh, we got the inhib at least. We need to get this top inhib. Alright, got all my items.
Destroyed an inhibitor.
At full build. Actually, no, I'm not full build. I can get rid of Doran's ring. Oh no, what am I doing? Let's sell the Doran's ring, and I got another freaking item I can build. Holy cow. Takedowns. Let's go with this guy, and then I can go elixir. I'm gonna go down like health, tenacity, well active, Leva.
Your team has destroyed
That's good.
a turret.
More damage.
Has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed.
We just need to get rid of that inhib, man.
The secrets of magic are mine alone.
We should
Your
probably
team has
group up for the
destroyed
last
a
fight.
turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yeah, next fight basically wins.
These chains cannot hold me.
Just make sure I can see people coming my way. Valcott's coming my way. Okay, Volley Bear's there. Good volley. Got him. Beauty. Keep shoving mid down. Good teleport.
Team has destroyed an inhibitor. Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Boom, done.
Your turret has been destroyed. Your inhibitor has been destroyed. Your turret has been destroyed. Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
He had to go back. I think we just win here. Boom! Let's go! Just like that. Easy peasy. Dude, I slayed in mid. I slayed. I gotta give it to my Udyr, man. Udyr. Actually, I'm gonna just like everybody did well. Everybody gets honors. That went very, very nicely. Okay, like S rank. Yeah, S rank on that one, right? Ooh, did I do the most damage on the team? I sure did. Oh boy, I sure did. I did most damage of anybody in the game. Yeah. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We got 13.5 and 4.0 KDA. Let's go. I like it. Oh, not play again. All right. That's it for me today. We're doing a quicker stream today because I got stuff and things to pack for my vacation. Congratulations to the winners of the BitX, the BitX Solo Miner and the Ledger Nano S. Congratulations, Carrie and Sir Mayor. And I will be away next Wednesday. Let me see my schedule here. I'm pretty sure away next Wednesday. Yes. So next Wednesday and Tuesday, so I will not be at the next adoption podcast. Michaela is probably going to do a show with Brooke. So make sure you guys tune in 9 p.m. on Tuesday for the adoption podcast. Next Wednesday, I will be in Portugal, so I will not be streaming. So you'll catch me on the 20th, the next Wednesday after that. Guys, thank you so much for popping by. I appreciate every single one of you. Congratulations to the winners, and let's go. Let's hope these trades pump up to the upside. Let's hope crypto continues to pump up. And off we go. And altcoin season is coming soon. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for coming by. See you later. Later, guys.